I don't know which man need to hear this, but yeah, hear this for a reason, right? So here we stop settling, point blank. Stop settling for females who would not settle for you. Just stop it, right? And 2, stop settling for females who do not deserve to be settled for. Don't do it. Don't do it. Good night.
So viewers and subscribers, what do you think about what this young lady is saying, viewers and subscribers? You think that what she's saying that it is true, viewers or subscribers, or you think it's fraud, it's no, viewers and subscribers? Because at the end of the day, basically she just try to explain, say, the man them at the end of the day to stop going in a relationship with females who don't plan to be in a relationship at the end of the day, and also don't go into a relationship with someone that doesn't deserve you, viewers and subscribers. So here I want to know the people, just share your intake on this video down into the comment section and let me know what's your thoughts, what's your opinion on this situation. Yes, so what's up my people, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and I just want to thank you all for the love and support that you all have been showing Flava Media Entertainment TV over the years. Yes, so people, in this video today we have the latest information on Slickianna's case involving Rushane Patterson, who was not charged by the police. Also in other news, viewers and subscribers, we also have the Angel claiming that her suitcase has been missing at the the international airport, viewers and subscribers. So here are people who know the drill already. We're going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the videos them. So no, don't go nowhere, we soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
Yes, so now viewers and subscribers, there has been some very interesting development in the Slickianna case, because it has been reported that Rushane Patterson is not charged in connection with the Slickianna case. And most people tend to be very skeptical about this decision, viewers and subscribers, because most people at the end of the day I say yeah him, and most people I say it no must be him, etc. Most people I say at the end of the day all evidence point to him at the end of the day and it must be him, etc. But me don't really know what go on, viewers and subscribers. I'm just here to give you the latest updates on everything what go on, because this situation really looks sticky, even though we know Jamaica judicial system is kinda, you know, a sham more time, etc, etc. But anyways people, it was reported that Rushane Patterson was not charged in connection with Slickianna's case. After about 40 minutes of question and answer session on Tuesday, the police failed to charge Rushane Patterson with any crimes in connection with the passing of the social media influencer Anika Slickianna Townsend. He was questioned in the presence of a lawyer who sat on the behalf of his attorney Michelle Thomas. Patterson was reportedly asked direct questions about Townsend, to which he responded with general answers. He remains behind bars as a result of being charged last week with abduction in connection with a 2018 incident. So viewers and subscribers, people, tell me what you really get from all of this and all of this situation, viewers and subscribers. You think him could have life really deceive the detective, the police overall, viewers and subscribers, or I don't know, something wrong in this case, viewers and subscribers. But as we said before, this is an ongoing case, so we have to just follow up the result and see what is really the outcome of all of this, because you know all evidence point to him, but at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, it also don't must be him. It can be a rare individual that none of us heard about or whatsoever, because none of we don't really know exactly what happened on that night, even though we know she died from strangulation. And as well you can see, viewers and subscribers, you can see that she wasn't in any clothes at all when her body was found, so it must be someone close, etc. So make we just follow up this and see where it goes from here. I just hope that justice come out at this. So anyway, if it is Rushane, justice must be served. If it is not him, well, justice must be served to whosoever did it, viewers and subscribers. If you really understand what I mean, you understand. So here what may I say, viewers and subscribers, just leave your thoughts an opinion down into the comment section about this situation and let me know what you think, people. So people, I will keep you all updated on any latest occurrence in this case, viewers and subscribers. So just always follow this channel, right? And I will keep you updated on every single occurrence, as I said before, viewers and subscribers. So just stay tuned for all of your latest updates, people.
All the I's, all the T's, everything, what forget pay, what to do, what to pay for everything else that's in my brain. So me get up and left the suitcase, same place. Guess when me miss the suitcase? Guess when me miss the suitcase?
So now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave you with this video from the angel that she posted on her Instagram page stating that her suitcase has been missing. She also said that her luggage was left in the parking lot of the Normal Manley Airport. But basically, viewers and subscribers, what the angel has said, she has said like she dead and when time she ready, she has said at the end of the day her car now start any at all. So she said she called BMW, but at the end of the day BMW take a while to come. So she said she just did it and just go and sit down on her suitcase. She also stated that it was a grey suitcase, just go and wait for them to come to rectify the car situation, etc. She said when them did come, and at the end of the day when them fix the car and everything, she said she just get up, go in the car and drive away. She never really remember nothing about the suitcase until the other night. She said also when she go to check the airport, they are telling her all sort of things, viewers and subscribers, that no one has reported the suitcase, and if someone has seen it, they would have passed it on to her. But viewers and subscribers, instead of me, they are telling you everything what go on in the video, I go just make you take in the video for yourself right now. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, also click the bell notification so that you can be first to be notified whenever any new content is uploaded. So people, just check out the video.
Here we go on over. I came in Monday on a flight. See? When I come in on the flight, I make sure I calculate everything right and telling you know. When I come in on the flight, I left my battery on in my truck. So when I go to start the vehicle, nothing. Battery dead. So I call BMW and them rush out, come help me. But during the time they take to come, all my luggage were packed in my suit in the van. So I take out the little pulley now, because there's no AC not pick up in the vehicle because the battery dead. So I take out the little pulley now. Thank you for all your birthday wishes for my son. Yeah, I'm gonna go live a little bit when the party starts and show now and so. Just for a short time. You know, so no excitement. Anyway, so I take out the little pulley out of the van and put in a little shady right there up on the right hand side in the parking lot at the airport, right over there so. When you go in, you make the right turn, where you look bush them, they right there so. I'm going to put on the suitcase, I'm going to sit down on the suitcase, I look pull on, see? I sit down on it, one silver pull on, and then mark Jessica Simpson on it. One silver pull on, mark Jessica Simpson. I sit down on the silver pull on, and when the man come from, the service person come from BMW, I get up and go look where I do. And him start up at the vehicle and the vehicle good to go. You know, so me just walk, go in at the vehicle and drive off. Because all me I think about are what I have to do for the party, all the planning, all the arrangements, all the I's, all the T's, everything, what forget pay, what to do, what to pay for everything else that's in my brain. So me get up and left the suitcase, same place. Guess when me miss the suitcase? Guess when me miss the suitcase? Last night. When I say alright, then I take out the stuff then because my clothes in there for the party among some whole heap of other stuff. See? But glad my son clothes never in it. But my clothes in there for the birthday party and all kind of something. Until I say that 2 days I go find it. You know, so I run up and down to find my little outfit, you know. Plus a number of other stuff, valuable stuff in there. But all I really want back right now, I just my outfit for my son's party. So when I go to the airport last night, I left my bag out of the airport, my suitcase out of the airport, one silver pull on and I parking lot. Hear this. When I go to the airport now, in the night last night, them tell me say if they find it, they would have taken it to security, or if it's a passenger find it, or anybody will park over the parking lot find it, they'd have taken it to security. So in the morning as daylight, I shut out, go there, you know, today at the party, I have a whole heap of things to do. So I go to the airport before 8 o'clock this morning, the place open 8. So I go out to know them, say then I have no log in my book, no suitcase to come over there, no security to bring the suitcase, nothing at all. So I say, oh, we can look on the surveillance camera. And I go back over the parking lot and I ask everybody where I work if they never see my suitcase. one other man that was working at the time when I was there. I say, you know, to my suitcase over there, so you know, here after nobody drop off the suitcase or no suitcase situation out here. Him say no. So I say, alright, I still have faith, and I say, I go back over the security post and I ask them if they don't see the suitcase. She check the book and I ask, I say, Father God, do. She check the book, no suit, nothing at all, not in there. No log, to say they took the suitcase there, right? So I say, alright, so she say, the only way she can check the surveillance camera unless me go report it at the station in the airport. I go down at the station, they were very accommodative, very helpful, all of these things, and I reported everything. Then give me one letter, for me to carry back. Me carry back, go up there, and I say, alright, then I feel good now, and I say, she go pull up the thing, the camera, make me see who take up the suitcase. She asked me what I have on, I tell her, and she asked me the time, I tell her. Can you believe the only thing the woman could have come tell me back, so the camera now work? Can you believe the only thing the woman could have come tell me back, say the camera now work, when I close them in there, I forgot my son